Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
OpenAI has raised $6.6 billion from investors, which could value the company at $157 billion and cement its position as one of the most valuable private companies in the world. The funding has attracted returning VC investors, as well as OpenAI's biggest corporate backer, Microsoft, and new participation from Nvidia. Iran's attack on Israel has rekindled the allure of safe havens, and oil prices have surged, but with no clarity yet on how the Middle East situation will evolve. Investors are treading tentatively. Their key question is whether Iran's strike marks an escalation or is more of a one-off backlash at Israel. Investment outflows from the Fidelity Ethereum Fund exceeded $25 million on October the 1st, marking a new all-time high in daily outflows among all other United States-based spot Ether exchange-traded funds, excluding the Grayscale Ethereum Trust.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ISM Services PMI will be released at 14 GMT, Australia's exports at 1:30 GMT, Japan's 10Y bond auction at 3:35 GMT. The Eurozone's Producer Price Index will be released at 9 GMT, the French 10Y bond auction at 9 GMT, Australia's trade balance at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.